name is Michael Shen. Solar energy is one of the alternatives to fossil fuel based forms of energy production, and there are other forms of alternative energy such as wind and water, but solar is interesting in that it only requires the sun's rays in order for the device to produce electricity. Solar cells essentially use the photovoltaic effect to convert photons from the sun's light directly into electricity. This can be done with a variety of surfaces that coat the solar cell device, and then the surface which may contain photovoltaic properties will convert the photons into free electrons that are created from the unique surface of the cell, and then a circuit is created as part of the cell, which the electromotive force that the electrons experience will then produce the electricity. The first cell was produced in the Bell Laboratories in 1954, and it was an efficient cell, but it was not cost efficient. It was about 250 times as expensive as coal-based power at that time. However, further innovations were made to solar cell technology over the years, and now it's looking as possibly a viable alternative to not renewable resource-based energy production. So there are a variety of solar cell types today. They continue to improve. Some examples include the most common, which are crystalline silicon cells, the most common in mass-produced cells. Thin film cells. There are also cells coated with various salts that apparently have the properties of photovoltaicity. And the one that we studied specifically was the light-absorbing dye cell, or the dye-sensitized solar cell, which is unique in that it is much less expensive to produce the photovoltaic dye, but it has limits in efficiency compared to other types of cells. So to improve this efficiency would be very conducive for further solar cell field development.